Well, let me just say, first of all, recognize the head table going as CEO of the PFJL. And also add my congratulations to Coach Whitmore and Mount Pleasant, and also Coach Speed and Cavaliers. The JPL, I think that the PFJL has done a very good job going keeping the life working and keeping the standard high. JPL. This is of course our premier football in the country, and I think that PFJL has done very well with it. Right, I think we can all agree with that. Of course, it is very important for us as JFF to ensure that the standard of football remains high. That the standard of football remains high, and I don't think there's any other body that's more capable right now. And my commendation that you're doing, the work that you've been doing. It is indeed a pleasure for us to be here again to witness another final of the Premier League after a well-organized and well-fought season. Two teams that have come to the top. They say, Cream always rise to the top, right, Coach? So we're looking forward to it. Certainly, I know that from the perspective of the JFF and the people at the JFF, that it is certainly something that we're looking forward to on Sunday. You know, I'm hoping that no rain upsets the occasion, but I know that the teams would have been training both rain and snow and all of them things, right? Yeah, so we're ready for it, and we certainly want to congratulate, as I said, both teams and the PFJL, and we look forward to a good match on Sunday when, you know, whoever comes out the victor, will be that football again, and that for us is important thing, that the quality of the football is high, standards are maintained in terms of discipline, and also that the youngsters who are playing most important